You may be surprised by the new features of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and I'm certain you're going to be pleased by the new AI features, even more than the AI features of the Pixel 8 Pro. Qualcomm is ready to release the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, and here are some of the exciting AI features. According to the leaked document, you can remove an object from a picture, just like you can on the Pixel 8 Pro, but Samsung and Qualcomm are going one step further, and now you can remove an object from a video, one step ahead of the Pixel 8 Pro. Not even this, the generative AI is at its peak. Although they are integrating Google Bar for generative content, but they are going even further with generating a custom background for the video. To provide additional light to the picture at night, the Pixel 8 Pro was released this year with a night side video. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will have the same feature called Night Vision for video capture, and it will be the first Android phone to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. They also enhanced GPU performance, allowing us to game at 140 frames per second, which is 25% faster than the previous generation, and the processor is 30% quicker in CPU performance and 20% more power efficient than the previous generation. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has one additional feature, an overclock version. Not only will the basic model be clocked at 3.19 GHz as opposed to 3.3 on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but we will also get a new look at the Galaxy S24 Ultra. These are the 4 color options we are going to get on the Galaxy S24 Ultra: a yellow one that looks more like a golden color, a new violet gray, and the new black color. Even these are confirmed by Ross Young, which means these are the official color options we are going to get on this S24 Ultra. By looking at the renders, it appears that it is going to come with a glossy back, and even these renders confirm the flat display on S24 Ultra. Maybe these are just renders, but this is how it will look like, and these sides are going to feature a titanium frame. With the addition of a new flat display, they're going to change the displays of Galaxy S24 Ultra to M13 displays, and this is the first time ever Samsung is going to use the same display across all models of Galaxy S24 lineup. S24 Plus and S24 Ultra will feature a Quad HD Plus resolution display compared to 1080p display on S24 based models. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.